Okay, right here, there is something up in the sky right here. You can see it. Now, I don't. For some reason, is I can't see it as well as I was seeing it. It's, there's something. If I make it larger, it'll be too large for you to see. But it's right here, and it's like it's trying to keep. Cause this is lying right here. But there's something up in the sky right there. It's like 1:50 something in the morning, a.m. The reason I woke is because of that food truck. That food truck, I've been saying and been saying. I believe that food truck has something to do with the vibration. And it do. I just woke up burning. I'm burning and vibrating my whole, and I'm feeling vibration all the way down my leg to the sound of that food truck. And it's only 1 something in the morning. I just did a video. I was in the dark, but I was in so much pain. I didn't even get up to cut the light on. But after I finished, I laid there for a little bit. I got on up. I need to do the bathroom for a thing. And I came in here, and see, this thing trying to make me out of lie. Because you could see it. Now you can't see it. Well, I'm going to go back into the system. So you can't even see it. Every time I would put it on large, I couldn't see it, but it's up there. So what I did, I went to the window to see if I could see it. There's a lot of them up there in that sky. Those are not no blame drones. They got a weird shape to it. And I wish my cameras were working, but they're too full. Both of my cameras on my phone. So I don't have no way that I can record this. But I'm telling y'all, those are not drones that I'm looking at, and there's quite a bit of them up there in that sky. Like I've been saying, for the last 7 years, I see flying saucers, and that's what this is. This what's up in that sky. They got a weird shape to them. I don't know if I can just tell it. It's long. Whatever it is, it's long. Those are not stars, and those are not drones. And let me finish doing out. Anything trying to make me out of a lie. Okay. See, I don't have much of a timeline because it just wants something in the morning. I woke up with my back of my head burning because I had the chair turned, the back of the chair turned toward the kitchen, which, and I'm telling you, this stuff what they're using is powerful because for the back of my head to be burning, there it is right there. There you go. It's right there. But I went to the window. I hope you can see that. See if you can see that in the picture. You can see. But ignore this thing. That man, that food truck, that joker is home. He got here. That's why I can't record the sound because it's not a natural sound. bet if a motorcycle come through here and I was recording, you'd be able to hear that motorcycle. And then I make it so bad after I finish videoing, making that video, the first one, he cut it up loud. So how do you know that I was videoing? Because I'm telling you there's something else going on. Now these people called yesterday saying they want to come and do inspection. How can you call somebody the week of and talk about you want to do an inspection when they ain't tell us nothing about an inspection when we move here? Now you just want to call. See, like my daughter want to listen to me. There's something else going on. Why they want to come here? You can't call somebody the week of and talk about you want to do an inspection within that week. But that's what they did. That's why I said I can't. I gotta get away from it. I do. That's my daughter. I love her, but she's a weak person because she'll just go along with whatever you people say. I don't go along with what people say. There it is right now. But see, that's not the one I want to look at. When I looked out that window, there was a few of them up there. Then you can see other stuff further up that look like stars. These here are further down. And I've been saying for 7 years since I saw the first time I saw them. These days up there are changing us. This is what they get in the atmosphere ready for. They're making us sick because they're coming to take over the earth. This who Jesus gonna be fighting. When he come to Armageddon, this who he gonna be fighting. These things that's coming from with you in these here ships. Look at that. I just hope this showing up on this video. 1:40. But in real time, it's like it might be 2 o'clock by now. Cause when I hooked up this, when I got this computer and it was 1:56. When I woke up, it was like 1:30, 1:30 something. But I woke up in pain, pure pain, and from the sound of that truck, food truck. That joker is pimping me. That's why he do it so often, because he held this thing on during the daytime, not just night. Also during the daytime. He had it on yesterday for, I can't remember how long it was, but I didn't even worry about trying to record it because you can't hear it unless you have on earphone, but at least you can hear it with the headphones on. Just a while ago, he had it like bumping, boom, boom, boom. I just got up because I could actually feel it with me sitting in the chair and I'm woke. I could feel it when the boom, boom. And I've been saying all along that food truck got something to do with this vibration and with this shaking in my body. Because there's some type of electrical thing over there. They 3 of them in this neighborhood that I can see. 2 on this street and 1 back over there where that food truck parked at. And it's hooked to the underground system because I see them put it down. You got some heavy duty cars that go down under the ground. But there's a lot of different things up there in that sky. And those are not no drones. Can't nobody tell me. Because every time I try to talk about it, they keep telling me, those drones. No, they ain't. They're not no drones. Maybe what y'all seeing is drones, but what I'm seeing is not no drones. And whatever those things are, they long. Kind of shaped like a L or something. It got a shape to it. And they long. You can see the sky right there. There's the sky right there. But when I make it full, it's too full. The thing that's up there is too full to see it. And my stomach is bigger now than it was before I went to sleep. It's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know what these people doing to me in my inside. I reckon I won't know I'm not letting no another doctor go inside of me. See, now's the time when I need those other cameras because I can set it outside and turn it up toward the sky. And I can video and see what's all out there. I set it right up on this thing right here. Because they probably in the back too. If they in the front, they in the back. And these people know what's going on. They know what's going on because they put it themselves. When we first came up this way, um, one of my grandsons told me that him and one of his friends was outside and they saw the things up in the sky. And he said, you see that? He said, the boy said, yeah, they be up there all the time. So they're used to seeing it. It didn't even phase the boy that he was standing there with. Because they're used to seeing it. That may look kind of like a lizard or something. Like you know, I don't think they just no regular spider webs or something around them. Getting hooked up in it. Because they look like kind of like antennas or something. Floating around. They be floating all out there in the air. I know whatever this stuff is, it keeps my sinus up. This stuff. I wish I could video that what's outside. I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean this. Both my phone cameras are full of videos, and I brought this thing so that I could take the videos off the phone, but it won't even fit. My phones are too big to hook the phone up to my computer so I could take this. I don't even know. But I tell you what, they doing stuff to us down here from up there. Let's go back. I wish I could slide it. Slide it over this way so that way you can see it. But like I said, that's just my theory. That I feel like they taking people. When people go to these certain meetings, when they come out there, they something else. The real self is dead, and the copy come out and take its place. I really believe it with all my heart. I really do. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out because I can't get my camera to see and record that whatever that is up in that stuff. But it's something ugly. Before they see there it go right now. Blinking. One 53. Now I don't see it. Let me go back to 148. You can see that 142. See it real good now. 142. Then 140. You can see it real good on 140. 140 is the time. 140. Yeah. I woke up at 130 something. Was it 135? I said what the time was on the video. The first video. Yeah, you better see it because I'm seeing the arrow. I can see the arrow right there. My nose is really stopped up. So I'm getting ready to cut this off.